We used to settle debt, a number of things, they're competing.
Nechinse echo chirase obomo bwa Afrika nigo chiabekiro koigwana eyo guchuko bwatarana ko enekiango kora bare emechande ye koirene magega uchumi ase orogongo rwa Afrika kwana chinga kiecho bara ikorwa se chinse echo nigo boigo batebire buna emirobere isaine nebwenta kobekwa eryo korigereria amangana yoborube abereka gokorekana ase nchere bwenerete.
We cannot deplete them, but for future generations they must be there, and at the same time they have to be utilized, but not in an unsustainable way.
We have even international people coming in to fish illegally with big trawlers, with using nets that are not allowed. So we need to put this all on paper and agree, and then determine how we need to move forward so that our biodiversity can be conserved and must be sustainable for the people of Africa.
This event today also helps us to take a closer look at the fisheries sector, which we know in our continent has been, some cases, overexploited. And this project helps us to advocate for the regulation of activity.